Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to review a fake lashes from Dollar Tree. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the product of Dollar Tree fake lashes, and as you can see here, this is still in the packaging. The lashes is not so glamour, so I think it will look natural. And it said here they included the glue, you can see. So here they said glue included, and it's a plus. So will it be good or not? Let's find out. This product is made in China. So this is the glue that they put in the packaging. It is so tiny, but this is enough for several applications, I'm sure, because we don't need much of glue when we apply the eyelashes. I mean, it's just enough to the eyelashes to So here is the lashes. So it kind of look natural, but as it feels so plasticky and you know, tough. But for me, I like lashes that the texture is like hair. So for example, this one is from Amazon. I bought, and this has 3 different model: the glam one, the volume one, and the sexy one. So these are all like a hair. It's so hairy, like, you know, so natural, but the look will be glamour because it's full. So if we put it aside, you can see the difference here. This one from Amazon is more fuller, and from Dollar Tree is somewhat having distance between each hair. So yeah, before I put this on my eyes, I'm going to put on my makeup. Before we start the makeup, just remember to wash your face and use moisturizer. And if you are used to use primer, you use the primer. If not, it's your face, you can just do whatever, but as long as you put on some moisturizer on your face, it won't be like a cakey and cracky, because it's just moisturize the canvas, right? It's not gonna dry out your skin.
It's a beautiful lipstick. Ooh, that looks like lipstick too.
Yeah.
It looks better than before, Mommy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And it looks better than now. I love you. Do you want to kiss me? You look like a special mama.
Oh, thank you. I'm done doing the makeup, so now we are starting. Hello. So now we are starting on applying our fake lashes.
Fake lashes?
Yeah, fake lashes. So first I'm going to curl the lashes, my real lashes. And after we curl our lashes, and then we apply some mascara.
Mascara?
Yeah.
What are those mascara names?
So So now it's the moment of truth. Let's peel this up. So it's not so sticky from this plastic, and you can peel it so easily. Now I'm going to cut just the end of these two, so then it will fit my eyes perfectly without, you know, poking my eyes. So this is my daughter. Her name is Anindya.
Hello.
How old are you?
3.
Yeah, she's 3 and she's now in preschool.
And I'm a good girl today. So,
Yeah,
my turn.
she got the student of the month. So this is the glue and this is the applicator for the glue. So it is not like a brush, instead it's just like a stick, plastic stick.
Plastic?
Yeah, now I'm applying it onto the lashes.
And something like a stick too.
Yeah, I don't know the glue is good or not. Hopefully it's good and, you know, stick nicely. I'm applying it in a good amount, so just want to make sure it won't fall, but not too much because it will just glide everywhere and takes so much time to dry. It's gonna smell like burnt plastic. All right, now this is the result for the fake lashes. I think I'm gonna like it because the look is like a, you know, a mink kind of mink effect. So at the end here it's a longer and here is shorter. So, and the glue is pretty quick to dry, surprisingly. I think this is good for beginner. I mean, you know, it's just $1. So if you in the middle of applying this eyelashes and you got irritated, because, you know, as a beginner sometimes we are like so irritated for the difficult small things, like delicate things. So yeah, if you just like frustrated and you don't want to go on, you can just put it aside. So for the quality side, it's actually good. It's not like flimsy or, you know, like the hair going everywhere, because it's plastic. It holds the shape, and because it's plastic kind of feel, so I think when you wash it, it will not be, you know, if you wash this natural one, when you wash, the shape will be gone. I'm so happy I bought this one. I thought it will be fail, like, you know, either the glue is not working or it's just like too tough and it won't bend according to my eye shape, and it will just straight like that. But no, it's just good. And if you guys want to buy this, I recommend this so much for the beginner, especially because it's just easy for you to, you know, if you got irritated, like as I said before. But don't underestimate it. I think you can use it even to go to the party or work or even daily basis. I think it's okay to use this because it's not so glamoury, it's not so thick, like not so dense like this one. The eyelash glue, they didn't say hypoallergenic or something, so bear in mind that if you are sensitive, just make sure to try it first, because there is no warranty for this that, you know, gonna work to everybody. For some people that has sensitive skin, maybe you will get rash or itchy or burn sensation, I don't know. So make sure to try again. I think I'm going to buy another one. Alright, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys like the video. I hope the video helped a lot, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.